In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into Google Docs. If you want to make your document more visual, more professional, or simply easier to understand, adding an image is a great way to do it. Google Docs makes this process very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to upload an image from your computer into your document. To get started, go to your Google Doc. Make sure you have the document open and ready before you begin. It also helps to click in the area of the document where you want the image to appear so the picture is inserted in the right spot. This can save you time later if you need to adjust the layout. Once you're inside the document, look at the top toolbar. On the right side of that top row, you'll see the image icon. This is the tool Google Docs uses to insert pictures into your file. Click on that image icon to open the available image options. After you click it, a small menu will appear with different ways to add an image. For this tutorial, choose Upload from Computer. This option is useful when the image you want to use is already saved on your device, such as a screenshot, a photo, a logo, or any other graphic file. When you select Upload from Computer, a file browser window will open. From here, locate the image on your device. You may need to browse through your folders until you find the correct file. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right image, especially if you have several similar files saved in the same place. Once you find it, select the image from your device. Google Docs will then upload the file and place it into your document automatically. Depending on the image size and your internet speed, this may happen almost instantly or take a few seconds. If the image appears larger or smaller than expected, don't worry. After it's inserted, you can usually click on it and adjust its size or position as needed. That can help your document look cleaner and more organized. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image into Google Docs by opening your document, clicking the image icon in the top toolbar, choosing Upload from Computer, and selecting the file from your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.